This is everything I've harvested from the garden lately. And I'm so excited because we are officially in harvest season. Okay, so the first thing I got last week was a 1 pound zucchini. I use this to make zucchini bread. And then my first tomato of the season fell off the vine, so I harvested that a few days ago. Um, and then today I went back to harvest a ton of other things. I went back for this other Roma. It's so cute. Here's a little 360, ignore the dog hair. And then I finally went and harvested some of the Sweet Million cherry tomatoes. I was hoping the cluster could all be ready at the same time, but it's just so long that's not going to happen. So I just harvested the few that are ready, and I'll probably eat this with my breakfast. I've actually been on such a cherry tomato kick right now, so I'm really excited for these. And then this is the first Marglobe of the season ready. It's kind of oblong, kind of lopsided, kind of weird, cat-faced on the bottom, a little bit cracked on the top, but I love it. I think it's cute. I can't wait to taste it. It'll be my first Marglobe ever. And then I'm actually not sure if my indigo blue chocolates are ready to harvest. I don't know what they look like when they're done, so I'm just taking one and I'm gonna try it. It is green on the bottom, so that makes me think it's not ripe yet. But I don't know. We'll see if the other ones turn red. I'll just harvest this one while it's green on the bottom, see what it looks like, see what it tastes like, and then go from there. But I am really excited for these because they are huge compared to the cherry tomatoes. And then we head over to my pepper bed to get some jalapenos because I'm going to make salsa this week. I would rather use serranos in my salsa, but the jalapenos are ready, so we're going to take some of these. It's still early in the season, but towards the end of the season, I have an abundance of peppers. I am like overflowing with peppers, so this is just the beginning. And then I got some basil because they were flowering. And then I added a black-eyed Susan just to make it look pretty, and here's the basket. In a small garden like this, there's not always going to be an abundant basket full of harvest. There's just going to be some things here and there, one zucchini, one tomato. So I think I'm going to do what I've harvested in the garden lately videos. So enjoy and happy growing.